This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to PDF files in Revit. First, open your Revit project and locate the sheet list in the project browser. It is crucial to have all your desired sheets properly set up before proceeding. Ensure each sheet is accurately named and contains all the necessary views, schedules, and annotations you wish to include. Taking a moment to verify this initial organization will save significant time and effort later in the process. Next, we need to access the print command to begin the export process. From the Revit ribbon, click on the File tab, which is located in the upper left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Print from this list, and then click Print again to open the main print dialog box. Alternatively, for a quicker method, you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P to directly launch the print interface. Both methods lead to the same crucial step. Now, let's customize your print settings to ensure the PDF looks exactly as intended. In the print dialog, select your preferred PDF printer from the name drop-down menu. Microsoft Print to PDF is a widely available option. Then, choose selected sheets and click the Select button to pick the specific sheets for export. Finally, adjust the paper size, orientation, and print quality settings, often opting for 300 dpi for excellent clarity and detail in your final document. To streamline your workflow, consider saving your print settings for future use. Click Save in Session settings to store your configurations, like paper size and sheet selection, avoiding re-entry each time. Carefully review the print range and other options to exclude any unwanted elements, such as hidden worksets or linked files from your PDF. Crucially, ensure combine multiple selected views or sheets into a single multi-page file is checked if you want one cohesive PDF document for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.